Hello everybody, this is Strone speaking. Hope you're having a good one. I wanted to show you a quick video on how to install CentOS 9 Stream. It's currently the latest version of CentOS. If you haven't already got the ISO, get it download. Choose CentOS Stream and choose the architecture you need. I just recommend that you actually browse by RPM so you don't have to download the massive full ISO. The one we're going to do is the boot one, but this will require an internet connection to work. There's the full one, which does not require internet connection to work. So on your virtual appliance or server that you want to make use of, create one first. So we're going to make a new one. Give it a name. Linux family, and it's CentOS 9. Storage you're going to use. I'm going to give this 2 cores and 4 gigs of RAM. I'll give it 50 gigs of drive space. And I'm going to go browse to our ISO. I've already uploaded the CentOS 9 one, so it's here already. But CentOS 9 has a slight thing here. You need to turn off secure boot, otherwise it will not boot as a VM. And then we finished with that part. Open up our VM and let's start it. And now we actually get to the install page. Well, this is where I am, so I'm choosing that option. Choose whichever one fits for you. Something odd there. So now, choose my time zone. Because we're doing the net install, we're going to have the internet up and running. Give it a name. You can do the automatic. I just like to do custom. But then I choose them to automatically connect the volumes here. And just check that they all match what you need. Click done. And accept the changes. So now it's picked up that we have an internet connection is using the closest mirror. I'm going to change this to just a server and to done. Just a few empty seats. I like to use root. It's not actually recommended. Because my path is too short, you have to click done twice. And now we can begin the installation. One nice benefit of doing this net install is actually, once it's done installing, it's already at the latest patch level. All packages will be at the latest version. They all the installed packages have downloaded. Now it's actually ain't installing. The reason why I keep closing the window and reopening it is there's sometimes a little bug with VMware's web interface and just doesn't refresh its activities as it should. But just reopening and reloading, it's usually still carrying on running fine in the background. Now we're getting close to the end of the installation here. And bear in mind that when the server reboots, it will auto eject the install media. So be this on a physical machine, it will actually eject the disk. If you're using a USB, when it reboots, you're going to have to pull the USB out just to prevent booting. On a virtual system like this, it will auto unmount the disk. So now we'll reboot our system. As you can see now, it has booted with the normal kernel for the CentOS. And there's our login screen. So let's log in with the root account, and there we're in. Take a look and see if we're online. And there's the IP address I got from my DHCP server. So let's take a look if we can SSH in. So here's my SSH window, and as you can see, we can log in. And as to show you now, you can see that this is actually fully up to date while doing the net install. One thing I do recommend everyone should install, as it does come in handy, is the extra packages repo. Put that on. Make sure you accept the signature, and now you have that on. So take a look at your repo list. There it is there, the EPL repos. Well, I hope you found this video interesting. I hope you found it useful. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And if you'd like me to do any other videos, please post a comment. I hope you have a good one, guys. Cheerio.